The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2017 through 2024 Chrysler Pacifica with the bare roof. So this model came equipped without the factory stowable rack system. So what we had to come up with was a custom solution. This means drilling and riveting these tracks into the roof. So we utilize Rhino-Rack here for a very cost-effective system. So you have the Vortex Aero load bars, 50 inches in length, the RTV 168 tracks, 66 inches in length, and the RLT 600 quick mount legs. So these legs do come with locks already included, so a great value. And as you saw there, the ability to quickly remove the crossbars. So if you want to just stow them, or if you want to readjust them on the tracks, you can do so relatively quick and easy. So this does require drilling into the vehicle, so make sure you read the instruction manuals and that you're up for that task and have all the proper tools and knowledge to do so. Since this is a custom install, there's no specific weight carrying capacity. These components are rated for up to 220 pounds, but we definitely would feel comfortable with your more standard 150, 165 pound capacity for this vehicle. But anyways, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.